Hey, I'm tripping, I'm sliding, I'm riding through the back like.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna do some DIY Play-Doh. My girl has been asking for it and I am gonna deliver. Yes, that's what I do. So 5 ingredients. So all-purpose flour, water, oil of your choice, cream of tartar, and salt. So that's what she wanted. Have y'all ever done this with your kids? Let me know. But I just left the supermarket. As you see, there it is. And here she is. We just now left getting her shots, her immunization shot. She just needed one more, her MMR, for her charter school, right? My preschooler is now a kindergartner. Oh, my God, a kindergartner, guys. Look at her face. Yes, I hope they're ready for this. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, so let's make some DIY Play-Doh. If you have toddlers, here is what they need. Okay, this will have you thanking me for lifetimes. All you need is this flour, like I said. So we're gonna get a couple scoops of this. Oh. So I already did it so that it comes out right. We're gonna put some scoops of that. This is the coloring I'm gonna use. You get it from any supermarket. We're gonna use some sunflower oil. You can use whatever you like, whatever oil, olive oil, I don't care, doesn't matter. And basically we just gonna put some in here. You could boil your water, warm it up. Some recipes say you boil water, but you don't have to. So this is just flour, right? All purpose. Yep, and we have our helper, and you use cream of tartar, and we're gonna put some of that in. We're gonna just shake it, okay, till your ancestors happy. No, maybe like 1 spoon. Okay, thank you. No, not yet. Maybe like 1 spoon. Mommy will call you, okay? So this is more than 1 spoon, but 1 tablespoon, I'm sorry. Let me show you how much I'm using. This much. Boop. Put that in there, okay? We're not going to use too much. And we're going to use some spring water that I have. I didn't warm it up. We'll put that in after. Not yet. And some sea salt. This is from Dollar Tree. So don't put too much salt in, because these are big. The first time, it did not come out. It came out like a little grainy. This is the oil, sunflower oil. You see that? Yes, honey. Let me know if you do this with your kids. Now we can put in the water. Can you put in the water? And start mixing it up. Now you can also boil the water so that it's lukewarm. Okay, mix it up. And it'll come out really good. I'm trying to tell you. So this is what it looks like. Okay, we're just gonna mix it up, just like if you're making cookies. It's gonna look like that. The consistency of cookies. Yes. And see, they can see you. Hey. Right. So as you can see, you and your kids could do it. I'm just gonna help. Right. Just mix it up, and if it gets thick, put some more water. If it gets too dry and clumpy, put some more water. That's all. And just keep mixing, Right? Thank you. Oh, thank you, baby. So it's going to come out just like if you're making bread. See? And now we're just going to put more flour so it's not too clumpy.
Put it in here.
Okay, we're going to transfer it over to here for a little later. See? There we go. Good job.
No,
Okay, so she's going to do it. But while she mixes, I'm going to take some out so I can show you. See? So it comes out like this. So it's not sticky. See? Just like Play-Doh.
Play-Doh.
And if it gets too sticky, all you do is put more flour.
And more water.
Yes. No more water. Just flour. And this is Play-Doh. Let's show you how it looks. Watch it, Nova. Be careful. See? This is what the Play-Doh looks like. So it's not too far off. And then we're going to put the color in it.
Red.
Yes. So we're going to come back and show you. Lego.
Every color we want.
Right. Any color you want. There you go, baby.
Or I want red, or green, or purple,
Or pink.
or blue,
Yes.
or pink,
There you go.
or pink.
The boss has
And blue.
spoken. Okay, stop. Okay. Stop. Do you like your Play-Doh? Y'all put your hands up. Ooh. We just made all these Play-Dohs at home.
Black.
Ooh, blue, red, purple. And we use salt,
And
flour,
these are to
sunflower oil, and cream of tartar. And these are the colors. And we use some water. You can use whatever water you like, but we use spring water, and I warmed it up. That's faster. I might have put a little bit too much salt, so next time I'll put a little bit less. But hey, this was my first time, but it came out great, guys. Look at the Play-Doh.
Black.
We're gonna mix this, so now we're gonna show you how to make it. Do I get a thumbs up? Thank you. Love you. Okay, these are all the ingredients I used. And let's not forget about the water. Yes, I warmed mine up on the stove. You do what you like, whatever you like. But this is how I did it. Now, Lego. Okay, so your girl had to get one shot for her immunization records. And since y'all already know we from New York, if you don't know, now you know. Okay, biggie. But we at the health department, and y'all girl had to do it because I'm that mom that will get it done. So they still wearing a mask, but you already know the pandemic is going. Please, let's stop the nonsense because your eyeballs are still open and the mucous membranes can still get it. Stop it.
Okay, you just get in one. Which one you want it in?
Yeah, so she's done, and she did it. Took it like a champ. You already know. So here we are getting ready to go and visit our family.